your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. And if it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss out on a new home tour. And if you're looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. So today, I'm bringing you inside a semi-custom sauna right here in Mooresville, North Carolina. If you've been searching for a home that's built for living and made for entertaining, this one is checking all of the boxes. We're talking over 3,800 square feet of thoughtfully designed space on nearly an acre lot. That means rooms to stretch out, host, and truly make it your own. Now here's the rundown. 4 spacious bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 4-car garage. Yes, you heard that right. And the primary suite is on the main floor for that easy, everyday comfort. You will fall in love with the 8-foot sliding doors that lead out to a covered patio, accessible from the family room, breakfast area, and the primary bedroom, giving you that seamless indoor-outdoor living. And just when you think it can't get any better, there's a second patio off the additional garage that features its own glass garage door and utility sink, perfect for entertaining or turning it into your dream hobby space. Now, let's talk kitchen, because this one is giving chef's kiss energy. It features a professional grade KitchenAid range and hood, built-in pantry, under the counter drawer microwave, and a massive island that's perfect for prepping, serving, or just hanging out with guests. The primary bathroom delivers that spa day feel with a gorgeous wet room layout. And there's plenty of space upstairs with a huge bonus room plus a flex room downstairs for whatever your lifestyle needs. Office, gym, playroom, you name it. If you need extra storage, you will love the walk-in attic space. No pull-down ladder needed. But now here's the scoop. This beauty is now under contract. But don't worry. The builder has additional lots available where they can recreate this exact floor plan just for you. So, if you're ready to make your move, reach out to me directly. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.